how to fix feedback required problem easily and fast on Instagram app. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. First thing is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless ad networks and then enable the airplane mode, because the airplane mode can save you from a lot of problems, not just this one. So enable it and disable it again, and then go to the apps manager on your phone. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So you have to wait and then scroll, go to Instagram, click on this force stop option, and then go down, click on the storage. After that you have to click on clear data and clear cache. That's it. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.